Ever feel like your meetings are disappearing into a black hole? You have a great conversation with a potential client, discuss next steps, and then crickets. Or maybe you're trying to understand which meetings are actually leading to closed deals, but your data is a mess. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Tracking your meetings effectively is crucial for any business, and today we're going to dive deep into how to do just that using HubSpot. Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're tackling a question that plagues many sales and marketing teams. How do I track a meeting in HubSpot? It's more than just scheduling. It's about understanding the impact of your meetings on your overall business goals. We'll cover everything from logging meetings manually to leveraging HubSpot's powerful automation tools to gain valuable insights. First, let's talk about the basics. Manually logging a meeting. This is your bread and butter, especially for those one-off meetings or quick check-ins. There are a couple of ways to do this in HubSpot. One way is directly through a contact or company record. Navigate to the record you're interested in, and you'll see an activity section. Here you can log a call, an email, or, importantly, a meeting. When logging a meeting, you can specify the date, time, duration, attendees, and any relevant notes. Be detailed here. The more information you capture, the more valuable this log becomes later. Another way to log a meeting is through the Meetings tool itself. This gives you a centralized view of all your scheduled and completed meetings. You can access this tool from the main navigation menu in HubSpot. Here, you can create new meetings, associate them with contacts or companies, and, of course, log completed meetings. Again, the key is to be thorough with your notes. Did you discuss pricing? Did you identify any key pain points? Did you agree on next steps? Capture it all. Now, let's move beyond manual logging and explore the real power of HubSpot, automated meeting tracking. This is where things get really interesting. HubSpot integrates seamlessly with various calendar tools, like Google Calendar and Outlook. By connecting your calendar to HubSpot, you can automatically log meetings as they occur. Think about it. No more manual entry. HubSpot does the heavy lifting for you. To set this up, go to your HubSpot settings and navigate to the Integrations section. Here, you'll find the option to connect your calendar. Follow the prompts to authorize HubSpot to access your calendar. Once connected, HubSpot will automatically sync your meetings. You can even specify which types of meetings you want to track. For example, you might want to track all meetings with external contacts but not internal team meetings. But automation doesn't stop there. HubSpot also allows you to associate meeting outcomes with specific deals or contacts. This is crucial for understanding the impact of your meetings on your sales pipeline. Let's say you have a meeting with a potential client and you discuss a specific product. You can associate that meeting with the relevant deal in HubSpot. This allows you to track the progress of the deal and see how your meetings are contributing to its success. Furthermore, HubSpot's reporting tools allow you to analyze your meeting data and gain valuable insights. You can create custom reports to track metrics like the number of meetings held, the average meeting duration, and the conversion rate of meetings to close deals. This data can help you identify trends, optimize your sales process, and ultimately, close more deals. For instance, you might notice that meetings held on Tuesdays tend to have a higher conversion rate. This could suggest that Tuesdays are a more effective day for scheduling sales calls. Or you might discover that meetings where you discuss specific case studies lead to more closed deals. This insight can help you refine your sales pitch and focus on what works best. Another powerful feature is the ability to use workflows to automate actions based on meeting outcomes. For example, you can create a workflow that automatically sends a follow-up email after a meeting is logged. Or you can create a workflow that assigns a task to a sales rep to follow up on a specific action item discussed during the meeting. This level of automation ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that your sales process is as efficient as possible. Let's dive into a practical example. Imagine you're a sales manager wanting to improve your team's performance. By effectively tracking meetings in HubSpot, you can identify which team members are holding the most meetings, which meetings are leading to the most closed deals, and which areas of the sales process need improvement. You can then use this data to coach your team, refine your sales strategy, and ultimately drive revenue growth. Now, let's address a common question. What if a meeting doesn't go as planned? Maybe the client cancels at the last minute, or the meeting runs over time. HubSpot allows you to easily adjust meeting details. You can reschedule meetings, update the duration, or even mark a meeting as no-show. This flexibility ensures that your meeting data is always accurate and up to date. Another tip for effective meeting tracking is to use meeting types. HubSpot allows you to categorize your meetings based on their purpose, such as initial consultation, product demo, or closing meeting. This categorization makes it easier to analyze your meeting data and identify which types of meetings are most effective. Finally, remember that meeting tracking is not just about sales. It's also relevant for marketing teams, customer success teams, and even internal team meetings. By tracking your meetings effectively, you can gain valuable insights into all aspects of your business. So, to recap, tracking meetings in HubSpot involves both manual logging and automated syncing with your calendar. The key is to be detailed in your notes, associate meetings with relevant deals or contacts, and leverage HubSpot's reporting tools to analyze your data. By using workflows and meeting types, you can further automate your processes and gain even deeper insights. Remember, effective meeting tracking is essential for understanding the impact of your meetings and optimizing your business processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.